Which is the longest railway route in India? Dibrugarh Kanyakumari Vivek Express is the longest railway route in India. This weekly train numbered 15905/15906 is the currently the longest train route in the Indian subcontinent. It joins Dibrugarh in Assam, northeast India to Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, which is the southmost tip of the Indian mainland. It covers a total of 4,234 kilometers from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. It takes 79 hours to cover this distance with 57 intermediate stoppages. So it's a huge, huge journey.